So you want to be an actor, but you have zero experience, no agent, no drama school, no Hollywood connections, just a dream? Here's the truth. Every A-list actor started exactly where you are right now. No one's born knowing how to act. It's something you learn, practice, and master. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start acting with no experience and actually book roles, even if you've never been in a play or touched a script before. And before we jump in, let me ask you something. What's stopping you from starting right now? Be honest. Drop a comment below. Fear? Time? No clue where to start? I want to know, and I bet you're not alone. All right, let's get into it. A lot of people think you have to go to drama school to be an actor. Spoiler alert, you don't. Many successful actors never stepped foot in a fancy acting conservatory. But what you do need is a solid understanding of the fundamentals. How to use your voice, your body, your emotions, and how to connect with a character. Here's how you can start learning right now for little to no cost. YouTube. This platform is full of acting exercises, monologue breakdowns, and free tutorials. You're literally watching one right now. Books. Some of the most successful actors swear by books like Audition by Michael Shurtleff, An Actor, Prepares by Stanislavski, and The Power of the Actor by Ivana Chubbuck. Online acting classes, websites like Masterclass, Udemy, and even local acting studios offer affordable lessons you can take from home. Movie and TV analysis. Watch your favorite actors and break down their performances. Ask yourself, what makes their acting powerful? What choices are they making? The goal here? Get comfortable with the craft before stepping in front of a camera. You don't need permission to start acting. You don't need an agent. You don't need a casting director to call you. Actors act. So, let's get to work. Practice monologues in front of a mirror. Pick a dramatic scene, a comedic one, and a neutral one. This helps you explore emotional range. Record yourself. This helps you catch habits like stiff posture, awkward expressions, or lack of vocal variation. Join local theater groups or student films. Even unpaid roles help build experience. Check out casting calls at film schools near you. Write your own short scenes. If Hollywood isn't calling yet, create your own opportunities. Film a scene with your phone. And the biggest tip? Get used to rejection. Every actor faces rejection. A-list. Stars included. What matters is how you push through it. Hold up. If you've made it this far, that means you're serious about acting. And if you're serious about acting, you need to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Because if you don't, well, I was going to give you a guaranteed hack to land your first acting role. But I guess I'll just... Oh, wait. You hit the button? Perfect. Let's keep going. If you want to act in film and TV, you need to get comfortable with a camera. Acting for stage and acting for screen are completely different beasts. Here's how you train yourself for the camera. Start a self-tape practice routine, grab a simple monologue, set up your phone, and record. Watch it back. Adjust your facial expressions, posture, and eye contact. Use social media to practice acting. TikTok and YouTube Shorts are gold mines for actors. Post short, expressive performances, duet other actors, react to their scenes. It's free training and exposure. Study real auditions, watch self-tapes from actors who booked major roles. See how they own the moment without overacting. You'll feel awkward at first. That's normal. But the more you do it, the more natural it becomes. But I don't have any experience. That's fine. Here's how to start building your acting resume from scratch. Student films and indie projects. Film students always need actors. These films might be low budget, but they help you build footage for your demo reel. Community theater. Even if you want to act for TV or film, theater experience builds presence and confidence. Background work, extras casting. Websites like Central Casting let you sign up to be a background actor. It won't make you famous, but it will get you on a real set. Once you've done a few projects, start putting together a basic resume and demo reel. This will help you get cast in bigger projects. At some point, you'll want an agent to help you get auditions, but when you're just starting out, you can find roles yourself. Here's how. Sign up for casting websites like Backstage, Actors Access, and casting networks. Apply for student films, web series, and indie projects. These gigs help build experience. Network. Follow casting directors and indie filmmakers on Instagram and Twitter. Opportunities come from connections. An agent is great, but persistence is better. Plenty of actors book their first jobs without one. Let's recap. Learn the basics. Acting techniques, vocal work, body movement. Start acting now. Self-tapes, theater, student films, social media videos. Get comfortable on camera. Watch yourself. Study auditions. Refine your technique. Build a resume. Even small roles help create your demo reel. Find auditions. Don't wait for an agent. Be proactive. And most importantly, don't quit. Every A-list actor was a beginner once. The only difference between those who made it and those who didn't? They kept going. Hit like if you're serious about acting, and check out this video next. It's going to take your acting skills to the next level.